Good morning, everybody. It's our learning journey, week 3, lesson 1 today. It's the 11th of May. Our learning objective is, can I describe a habitat? And this learning objective is going to be running through our week this week. So it says over here, we call the places that animals live habitats. A habitat is a special place where plants and animals normally live. Okay, so a habitat is a special place where living things live. It's for us as well, humans as well. So that's that word habitat that's really important for us today. I've got a dictionary definition over here and it says habitat. It's a noun. It's the natural home or environment of an animal, plant or other organism or other living thing. Okay, that's what a habitat is. If you are doing a running glossary of our learning journey this unit, then you might like to add that word habitat to your glossary. All right, so quick warm up today. There's Miss Parsons. It says habitat provides for a living thing's needs. Let's make a quick bubble map. What must a habitat include? So if a habitat is a special place where an animal or living thing lives, it must have some things. Imagine, for example, you lived somewhere that didn't have any food. That would not be a very good habitat, would it? Wouldn't work out very well. So we need to make a quick bubble map here of different things your habitat must include. If you'd like to pause the video here, you can have a go at doing that yourself. Alright, so like I said, food. Our habitat must include food for us. Okay. Similarly, water. If we didn't have anything to drink in our habitat, we'd be in trouble, wouldn't we? Shelter or cover. So that's what our home would be. Habitats must provide shelter or cover. And I've put here space as well. I think we need space in our natural habitat. If you've got other things to add there, that's wonderful. All right, so carrying on with our habitats, I've got a non-fiction piece of writing here. It tells us all about mini beast habitats. Okay, you can see the heading here, mini beast habitats. If you'd like to pause the video here and have a read yourself, then you may. And if not, that's fine, I'll go ahead. Mini beast habitats. Most garden mini beasts need somewhere to hide. Now I've highlighted that because that comes into our shelter. Okay, when we're talking about what must the habitat have, shelter is one of those things. So I've highlighted that section there. Most garden mini beasts need somewhere to hide at certain times, either to sleep, escape from predators, or shelter from the elements. Just means the weather. Cover is very important, so that comes into our shelter section of our bubble map, everybody. Secondly, little warm spots in a garden are vital, that just means really important, for mini beasts to survive. So warm spots, that talks about the temperature there, doesn't it? So different animals, different living things need different temperatures as part of their habitat. Bare soil in a vegetable patch, concrete paths, rockeries and walls are all regular sunbathing spots. Okay, so if you're a mini beast, you're going to need some warm places in your habitat. Mini beasts feed on a variety of plants. A wide variety of plants in our gardens. Right, so that's the food we were talking about, isn't it? Many eat the leaves, stems, flowers, and even the wood of garden plants. There you go. So there's a few vital things that mini beasts need in their habitat. Now that's going to be different for all different living things. For example, we don't necessarily need plants to eat. There are lots of things that we eat, but some of these things will remain the same. We do need somewhere to shelter. We do need somewhere that's not too cold, not too hot either, and we do need food too. Alright, so your task today, everybody, it says, can you complete these sentences? So I've got some sentence starters for you here. If you would like an adult to start these sentences for you, that's fine. Or if you want to copy the sentence starters, absolutely no problem at all. So the first one says, a habitat is ellipsis. So there's the ... just there. A habitat is, so can you describe a habitat for me here? What is a habitat? Habitats must include, what must they include? Remember, not what you'd like it to include, but what it must include. And the last one says, habitats are important because, why are they important? What would happen if an animal didn't have a habitat? And one example of a habitat is, now we haven't got into different examples of habitats yet, children, so you have to really clear think about this. You might like to think of a habitat near you, in your home, for example, or you might want to think of a habitat near where you live. Okay, have a think about that. What's one place you can think of where animals live? Wonderful. Okay, so last week Miss Lyons was talking to us about how to take care of ourselves and how to take care of our brains and our minds in particular during this time. So you might like to do this before your writing today, everybody, to get you going. So we've got here a 1 minute challenge. Okay, so you're going to need a phone with a 60-second timer, or you might like to do this on a computer with a timer, or you might just need somebody who can count to 60. That's fine as well. So your challenge, it says get active. Physical activity can improve your mood. Don't we know it? So in 60 seconds, how many times can you touch your toes? How many star jumps can you do? Or how many bunny hops can you do in 1 minute, in 60 seconds? So that's 3 minutes in total if you do all three of those things there. How many times can you do that in a minute? And maybe you can challenge somebody in your family. I bet your mums and dads and adults would love to take you on and see how many times they can do these things as well. See if you can beat them, okay? Wonderful. Let us know how it goes, everybody. Good luck with your tasks today. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.